Manchester is back and they performed Footloose. Now let's skip over to Clarendon for this one called I Will Survive from Edwin Allen.
First I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side.
But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong.
And I grew strong, and I learned how to get along.
And so you're back from outer space. I just walk around here with that look up on your face. I should have changed your stupid love. I should have made you leave the key. If I had known for just 1 second, you'd be back to bother me. So go on now, walk out the door.
Just turn around now. Cause you're not welcome anymore.
Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye?
You think I crumble?
You think I lay down and die? I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna work harder. I'm a survivor. I'm
gonna make it.
survive. Keep on surviving. Now that you were out of my life, I'm so much better. You thought I would be weak without you, but I'm stronger. You thought I would be broke without you, but I'm richer. You thought I wouldn't love without you, I love harder.
You thought I couldn't grow without you, now I'm stronger. You thought I would be weak without you, now I'm stronger. You thought I would be helpless without you, now I'm wiser. You thought I would be stressed without you, now I'm wiser.
I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna work harder. I'm a survivor. I'm gonna make it. I will survive. Keep on surviving. I'm a survivor. I will survive. As long as I know I love, I know I stay alive. I got all my life to live, but I've got all my love to give. I will survive.
I will survive.
I will survive. As long as I know I love, I know I stay alive. I got all my life to live, and I've got all my love to give. I will survive. I will survive.
Yes, Edwin Allen, you will survive. Trust me. You know, we talk about harmony and all that kind of thing. Now, when we reach this stage, now we have to look at what are the things that make that will go together to make this choir stand out. Your overall blend. The sound is good. The balance between the singers, the vocalists, and the instrumentalists. I love the arrangement of the medley, the use of the echoes, and the switching from one song to the other so easily. And the moves are not exhausting them. They're just so easy with the song. Edwin Allen, you think you're a champion on the track alone? No. Champion on the stage.
Edwin Allen, I love the arrangement. I love the voices. I love the blend of the voices. I love that you all got dressed up for the thing. What I am missing, and it's not you alone I'm missing it from so far, is the real musical theatre element, the theatricality of it. It's not there, especially for a show tunes category. That's what is needed. And I guess I say it every year, but I don't know if anybody's listening yet. But apart from that, and I mean, it's a big apart from, but good job.
Edwin Allen, you're next to where I'm from in Manchester, Clarendon. I love that rendition of that song. Lead singer, Miss Little Miss in the Black. I see that you you think you're hoarse, but your voice came out so beautiful. We want you to always know that when you push that voice sometimes, it comes out with a different tone and makes it nice. Yeah, if you were talking to me, walk out the door, I would be gone. The attitude was right. I think you will survive, as Joy said. Thank you. Yeah.
Will Edwin Allen survive this round? Well, you can make that happen by calling or texting 444-8809 to vote.